Are you considering teamwork projects for your accounting needs? Before you make that decision, there are 12 key things you need to know to ensure it's the right choice for your business. We'll compare it to other software options, so by the end, you'll know whether it's worth the investment or if there's a better alternative. First, Teamwork Projects is a solid tool for project management, but when it comes to accounting features, it doesn't have the depth that specialized software like QuickBooks or Xero offers. Teamwork is great for organizing projects, managing tasks, and collaborating with teams. But if you're looking for comprehensive accounting tools, like detailed tax calculations or payroll support, it might not meet all your needs. Next thing to know is that Teamwork integrates well with a range of third-party tools, but it may not sync as seamlessly with accounting-specific platforms. Other software, like FreshBooks, offers more native accounting functionality without needing to rely heavily on integrations. This could mean extra steps and additional costs for connecting Teamwork to your financial systems. The third thing is its pricing structure. Teamwork can get a bit expensive for smaller businesses. While it offers a range of plans, you might find that some of the features you need, like advanced reporting and more storage, require higher tier subscriptions. In comparison, software like Zoho Books or Wave provides more affordable plans without sacrificing essential accounting features. The fourth thing to consider is its learning curve. Teamwork Projects is packed with features, but they can be overwhelming for new users. If you're looking for simplicity and ease of use, software like QuickBooks Online might be more intuitive. On the flip side, if you're familiar with project management tools and need something that offers both project and finance management in one, Teamwork could work well for you. The fifth point is customer support. While Teamwork Projects offers 24/7 support through chat and email, the response times can vary, especially during peak hours. Competitors like Xero are known for their faster and more specialized support when it comes to accounting issues. If quick solutions to financial problems are critical, this could be a deciding factor. Next thing is reporting. Teamwork's reporting features are more tailored to project management rather than accounting. If you're looking for detailed financial reports like balance sheets, income statements, or P&L reports, other platforms like FreshBooks or QuickBooks have more advanced and customizable reporting options. The seventh thing is security. Teamwork Projects offers strong security measures like two-factor authentication and data encryption. However, while this is standard for most software today, competitors like Xero and QuickBooks take it a step further with additional financial-specific safeguards, which might give you more peace of mind when dealing with sensitive accounting data. Next, let's talk about customization. Teamwork offers some flexibility in terms of workflow and task management, but it lacks the financial customization options that you might need. Accounting software like Zoho Books and QuickBooks allows for more granular customization, especially when it comes to invoice templates, payment terms, and tax settings. The ninth point is mobile access. Teamwork has a mobile app that lets you manage projects on the go. However, its mobile features aren't as strong when it comes to financial management. If you need robust mobile access to accounting features, software like QuickBooks or Xero might be more suited to your needs. The 10th thing to consider is the scalability of Teamwork. While it's great for small to mid-sized businesses, it may not scale well for larger enterprises with complex accounting needs. If you plan to expand significantly and need more advanced accounting features, platforms like Sage or Oracle NetSuite might be better long-term solutions. Next is the issue of automation. Teamwork Projects offers some automation for task management, but it's not as robust when it comes to automating accounting tasks like invoicing or tax filing. Other software options like FreshBooks provide more automation in this area, which can save you time on routine accounting activities.